just going to be absolutely a perfect day, and there's very little moisture in the air. One of the key reasons was, you may not have noticed it that much, but it was really breezy yesterday, and the wind direction out of the north just dries out the air hour after hour as it moves over land. And that's one of the main reasons why we're cold this morning, but we are not foggy. Now, we've got a lot of changes coming up for this weekend, but I just want to highlight, when you see the rain icon on a weekend, of course you're thinking, okay, well, here we go. And this can be problematic if you've got something going on in the middle of the day, but this is light rain. This is 1/10 of an inch of rain or less. For the mountains, it's blue, so you're starting to push over toward 1/4 to maybe 1/2 an inch of precipitation, but translated to snow, that's roughly 2 to 4 inches of snow, which is not that big of a storm, but it is rain and it is snow on a weekend. So let's go ahead and move past that. How much more moisture is actually going to get in here? Not that much more. So yes, and when you look at the 10-day, you're going to see periods of rain, breaks, periods of rain, but it doesn't add up to all that much. In other words, it's a series of rather weak storms that are heading our way beginning this upcoming weekend. Until then, the storm track will stay to the north. Look at that beautiful looking storm, but it's not going to affect us at all because our area of high pressure is just way too strong. So here's the result of the lack of moisture in the air. It's cold, it is calm, it is also clear skies overhead, and we don't have any fog. So it's really the dryness of the air that's not really allowing it to produce very much fog early this morning. But we're not complaining. Zero fog means that it's a nice, easy drive. You got to think about traffic, but at least you can see. As far as what the wind is going to do, it's very light. So my headline for that is the mosquito activity is going to be more active because they're out and about. They've been just waiting for the winds to die down. They've died down this morning and this evening. So whatever you're doing outdoors, the mosquitoes will be there in force. We've got temperatures that have now dipped into the upper 30s for many of us. Moving forward, highs near 70 degrees, which is above average, but you could see here this time of year, we can get warmer than that. And we're not going there. We're not going to record warm temperatures. We're just going to stay in that zone above average, below the records in the 70s for a few more days. Let's get an early look here. Yes, south of our area, we could get clipped by a storm with a very light amount of rain. But here's our Sunday. This looks like a raging storm, but it's not. These are just chances. Pretty solid chances we're going to get some light rain in Sacramento, Stockton, and Modesto on Sunday and Monday, as well as some snow. But like I showed right off at the beginning, it's not going to amount to all that much. What about past the 10-day forecast? Looks like that cooler, wetter pattern should continue. So enjoy the 70s for the next several days. Rain arrives on Sunday. We've got more chances stacked up into next week and likely beyond.